Totally very awesome when teaching in the whiteboard and then write something, then some accent and different accent, everything. And then every day, just listen again and again and again and again. Do not focus for accent, please. After you can speak English, just I'm going to teach you about how do we to speak like a speaker around the world, like Mr. Fahmi. And then how do we, you know about this is totally crazy man, crazy people in this universe. After watching like YouTube, or then like movie in YouTube, and then I write down, I got a new vocabulary. For example, like this, I write down, memory in my mind. For example, how is the weather now in your country? Same old, as usual. As usual is biasa aja, as usual. But same old, biasa aja. When you met people from North Carolina, Pennsylvania, New Jersey, when you use that accent, you know about out of America, no, man, you know about because why you like can't speak like our languages here. No, just learn with Mr. Fahmi, you know about Mr. Fahmi very awesome. Yeah, even though you always in the like not, never like not, sit alone, never care, you know, care each other, no, just sit alone. Yeah, I will help Mr. Fahmi again because Mr. Fahmi is my teacher. Yeah, my teacher. Alright, you got it? Just YouTube.
Thank you.
Only YouTube, okay?
Okay.
Only YouTube. Yeah, remark my word. From this day until the end of the day.
Okay.